Film is an integral part of our lives, a source of inspiration, and a mirror in which we see reflections of our dreams and aspirations. Movie artists have become for us not only stars on the screen but also examples of how to live, fight, and triumph. However, behind fame and success, there are countless difficulties and trials that not everyone knows about. Everyone wants to become successful. How to do it? How to get in harmony with the world, how to find your place and purpose in it. Can everyone do it? Take examples from the lives of famous people who themselves have achieved success, repeat and you will succeed too.
Meanwhile, as you hear the stories, admire the vastness of our beautiful world. Receive its miraculous energy and confidence. Do so every morning, coming into harmony with the world, as they did.
Dwayne Johnson success story. Dwayne Johnson, better known as The Rock, is one of the most successful actors and wrestlers in the world. He was born on May 2, 1972, into a family of professional wrestlers. His father, Rocky Johnson, was a world champion wrestler, and his grandfather, Peter Maivia, was a world champion super heavyweight wrestler. Johnson's childhood was not easy. His family often moved, and he had to change schools frequently. At the age of 14, his family was forced to leave their home due to financial difficulties. Johnson had to work to help support his family. Additionally, Dwayne had serious health issues in his youth. As a teenager, he struggled with depression and even attended a school for troubled kids. However, Dwayne Johnson was always ambitious and dreamed of a career in sports. Despite the challenges, Johnson was a successful athlete. He played American football in high school and college. After college, he signed a contract with the Calgary Stampeders of the Canadian Football League, but was forced to retire from football due to a back injury. In 1996, Johnson began a career as a professional wrestler. He quickly became one of the most popular wrestlers in the world. In 2000, he won the World Wrestling Championship. In 2001, Johnson made his film debut. He starred in the movie The Mummy Returns. The film was a success, and Johnson began to receive offers from other directors. Over the course of his career, Johnson has appeared in over 50 films. He has starred in such popular films as The Mummy Returns, The Scorpion King, The Fast and the Furious, Baywatch, Jumanji, and Black Adam. Johnson is one of the highest-paid actors in the world. He is also a successful businessman. He owns his own production company, as well as several restaurants and fitness centers.
This story clearly shows that even in the darkest times of life, perseverance and belief in oneself can lead to great accomplishments.
I just called to say I care, I do. I just want to say
Don't be afraid of difficulties. Sometimes it seems that there is no way out, everything is bad, what to do? Is there a way out? There is. Everyone has difficulties, even those famous and successful people, but the difference is that they are not afraid of them, go to meet them and overcome them victoriously. You can do it too. Just follow their example.
Strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song. And so I came to see him, to listen for a while. And there he was, this young boy, a stranger to my eyes, strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song. He found my letters and read each one out loud. I prayed that he would finish, but he just kept right on, strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song.
If you want to have a successful day, watch these videos with your breakfast and enjoy the greatness of our world. Everything and everyone has a specific place in it. Think about what your place is. Get the energy and peace of the earth, get in harmony with it, and boldly go to meet the world. Don't hesitate. It will help you.
And clear and strong, strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly.